everybody, welcome to my channel. So glad you're here. I've got my sleepy sidekicks beside me. Can you guys say hi? Say hi, Wyatt. Can you say hi? Okay, Zizi, can you say hi? Say hi, everybody. So today I have a Wantable unboxing for you. So Wantable is a style subscription service. I believe you get 5 items. You get a discount if you keep all 5. Is it 5? Oh, guys, I think I might be getting too many subscription boxes at this point. They're all starting to run together. So let me dig in and get the paperwork and make sure I get all my facts straight. But I do remember that my last Wantable was a really good one. And I did ask to keep my exact same stylist because she did such an awesome job. So I'm excited to see what is inside this box. And it feels heavy, so that means fall stuff, right? Let's see what is in here. So here is my box. And they tell you about exchanges. Let's see. You get an envelope to return anything you don't love. You get a price sheet and a note from your stylist. I just been checking to make sure. Yep. So my stylist was Madeline last time, and I'm only looking to see if my stylist was the same. And it is. So I'm not going to read anything until we dig in and look and see. So here is what it looks like at first. I see something striped. So let's look at it. So first up is a t-shirt, a Splendid t-shirt. And the prices are on it. So this says it's $54. And I feel like I got something just like this in one of my trend sends. But anyway, we will see what that looks like. Next is a top from Kensie that is long sleeve. Looks like a t-shirt hem. That's cute. Has a little bow on the front. It's $59. It's black. Stretchy material. Okay, next is from Dakota, and it looks like faux leather and looks like a jacket. And I have no idea how much it is. $78. So that's cute. It's like a, what would you call that? A toffee color maybe? Little jacket. That's very cute in a faux leather. Okay, so I think there's more than 5 items in here, so it looks like maybe 7. Okay, this is by Free People. It's $68. What is that? A boat neck. One of the, I always forget the name of this sleeve, but I usually don't like it. But anyway. And it has the banded bottom. Okay. What is that sleeve called? I don't know. I always forget it. Next up is something super soft. So, okay. So this is almost like a kimono style with a little soft neck. Doesn't look like anything that would be touching my neck. By Olive and Oak. And I don't know how much it is. So we'll have to wait for the price sheet for that one. So this is nice, just like an overlay, super, super soft. And it does have pockets in the front like a sweatshirt. So that's cute, very, very soft. Okay, next, by Articles of Society, a pair of jeans. And these are $64. These are very nice. No distressing. Maybe just a little bit up here at the pocket I see, but nothing major. Those are nice. They have some give, so some stress in them. Last item in my box. A pair of gray pants by Blank New York. Gray denim. With the little zippers in the front. Those are cute. And these are $88. These have some decent stretch. I like the zippers. Okay, so since I saw the prices anyway, let's look at this. So there's a $20 styling fee. There were 7 items in here. I get 20% off if I keep 5 or more. So everything would have been $479. The discount, the buy all discount, would have been $95.80, and the style minus the styling fee is $20. For everything would be $363.20. Okay, so let's try these things on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the first 3 pieces: the jacket, the striped tee, and the Articles of Society jeans. And all 3 pieces fit just fine. The t-shirts, very cute colors. I put on a pair of olive green shoes with this outfit. The jeans are super comfortable. They're a little bit of a low rise. They fit okay. I have probably a little bit of room in the waist actually, but they have a lot of stretch to them. And they might be a tiny bit long, which isn't unusual for me. And the jacket is very cute. This actually is not too long in the arms, which is unusual. So that's kind of nice. So I think the jacket's very cute. Okay, next outfit. Okay, next outfit is this Free People white top with these big sleeves and the banded bottom. And it's, look how long this is if I want it to be. Very, very, very long. Look at this. Okay, so, and it also has this huge boat neck. Like you could go off the shoulder here if you wanted to. So I know Free People tends to run big and flowy, but this might be a bit much for me. It is comfortable, but I'm not loving it. These gray pants are super interesting. They have stitching right here above the knees, which makes it obviously look very tight here. So I think it just pulls right here in my knees and looks, I'm sure it looks very tight. They also have a little slit here, which I didn't notice before. They have these little pockets and all this detailing. I can see it pulling right here too. Although up here I actually have room. So I think that the fit is probably all off in these. They probably need to have a little bit more stretch to them, even though they are stretchy. If I can grab hold of anything, because there's so many zippers and stuff and stitching. So I'm thinking that this fit is probably not the right one for me. Okay, let me try on the next top with these. Okay, here's the little black top with a little bow here, which isn't too, I don't mind it. I usually don't really like bows, but I think that seems pretty muted and not overly stated, so it's kind of cute. This does have some flow to it, but I still think it lays nicely. It is long sleeve, but it's a nice fabric. So I think this top is cute. Yeah, I don't mind this at all. It has like little gathers right here, which is what I think this bow is about. So you could probably make this a little bit tighter if you wanted to. And then I brought out the last item, which is this little poncho by Olive and Oak, which is very open on the sides. So let me see what this looks like, if I can get it on. It's very, very soft. And it has these like hoodie pockets to it. It's something that you would want to, you know, put on and wrap up like in a blanket. It's kind of cute. I don't think it's the sexiest thing I've ever put on, but I do think it's rather pretty. I mean, yeah, it's rather cute. I will be right back for a quick wrap up. Okay, so let's do a run through of these items. First up was the faux leather jacket, and it was $78 by BB Dakota. And I thought this jacket was cute, so I'm putting it in my maybe pile. I think I could wear it dressy or casual. It's a basic color, so it would go with a lot. So I think I could do a lot with it. So I'm putting it in my maybe pile. So we'll see where I net out here. This little t-shirt was $54 because it's by Splendid, that's why. And I just didn't really like it. I could have probably tried tucking it in. Maybe it would have been better with that outfit or doing a front tuck, but I just wasn't into it. So it's going in my no pile. The articles of Society jeans were $64 and they fit really well. I thought they were cute. And they're going to my maybe pile. I'm not really sure I need them. So I'm going to put them in my maybe pile. This Free People top was $68, and I remembered it's a dolman sleeve, right? Isn't that the kind of sleeve on here? And I just don't even know what to do with this top. It's very overwhelming to me. I thought it was too big, and it's going in my no pile. These blank NYC utility skinnies, these were $88. And I just think that with all the stitching around the knee and the fit of them, that these just aren't doing anything for me and they're going in my no pile. This little black top, I didn't think was too bad. I thought it was kind of cute. It's by Kensie and it was $59. It's going in my maybe pile. And the last item was this super soft, and they're calling it the Willow wide neck thermal in Cloud Mist, and it was $68. And it's just something like you want to curl up on a cold day and like wrap yourself up in a blanket, and it is going in my maybe pile. Now that only puts 4 items in my maybe pile, and I need 5 for a 20% off discount. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I don't have anything in a definite yes pile. So overall, I didn't think this was a bad box. I think my stylist did a good job trying to find items. I think I just had some fit issues. So what do you think? What do you think? Do you think I should keep anything? What looked good? What didn't look good? And I don't think I could. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in my no pile that I could keep to make this, to find 5 to get 20% off. So I'll have to think if there's anything in here that I really love that I could apply my $20 styling fee towards. I think that's where I'm at with this box. So I'll have to look through my maybes and see if there's one item I really should keep. So let me know if there's an item that really stood out to you guys that you really, really loved, and let me know what your pick would be. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you'd like to give Wantable a try, I will put my referral link down below, and I will list the items just in case anything stood out to you that you would like to give a try. So thank you so much. I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. From me and my remaining sleepy sidekick here, because the other one has disappeared. Let's see if I can wake him up to say goodbye to you. Can you say goodbye? Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.